Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is Tolerance. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to write a paragraph. Before this in English for grade 3, I have already taught you writing skills with word bank. I hope you remember. So today we'll practice further. To spell some words studied in class, both orally and in writing, and use the reading text as models for your own writing. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Alaq, verse 3-5. Read. And your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he did not know. Yes, my dear children, subhanallah, these beautiful verses are giving us a message of learning. You know how Allah is saying read. So first, read. And then Allah taught by pen means writing. So these are the steps of learning. First we'll read, then we'll write. This is what every day we do. So we'll practice, we'll follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah. And first you tell me, what is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember a paragraph is a series of sentences. Okay? A series of sentences that are organized and are all related to a single topic. So one thing, it's a series of sentences. Second thing, they are related to one topic. Okay? Paragraph can contain many different kinds of information about that topic which we have taken. This about this topic, they can have different type of information. A paragraph could contain a series of brief examples or a single long illustration of a general topic, right? These are the characteristics of a paragraph. So one thing, it is a series of sentences, means more than one sentences we join together. And how do we join them? We take a topic, and related to that topic, we gather the information and we organize it. It becomes a paragraph. Okay. So the first line, the first sentence or the opening sentence tells what the paragraph is about. It means when we are writing a paragraph, in first sentence we should mention what this paragraph is all about. And it may comprise on 1 to 2 lines. Okay. And next step is the body of the paragraph contains the discussion about the topic in detail. So whatever you want to mention about that topic, after opening sentence, you start writing about that, and it may consist of 3 to 4 lines. And then you close the paragraph. The last sentence sums up or concludes the discussion. It comprises of 1 to 2 sentences. Do you understand? This is how it is not like that whatever you want to write, just you start. First you in beginning, in first line, you mention what this paragraph is all about. Then you start narrating, writing about all the information in details, whatever you want, whatever example you want to put in, you keep writing. And by the end, you close it properly. What is the conclusion of the discussion? Okay. So I have given a simple specimen over here. Teachers, you may discuss in detail. Kindly make the children to read it, comprehend, and how this is opening sentence, what details we can add, what are the evidences or examples, and how do we sum up the paragraph. So pause the video, analyze and understand this paragraph, then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now you understand whatever I told you, how we make it, how we inculcate it in paragraph. Okay, so it's a time for activity. It's your turn now, all right? So what you will do, you will read the first paragraph of your story, the tolerance, read it carefully, and what you will do, you will memorize the spellings of the difficult words, okay? What I suggest, you will point out, for example, you find this word tolerance is difficult, memorize its spellings, then write it. Keep writing, memorizing and writing all the words from this paragraph, and then come back. So all of you are done with it. Good job. And here we go. It's the next step. And what's that? Recall the time when you tolerated someone's bad behavior. Someone must have behaved in an undecent manner. So how did you tolerate that situation? Write a short paragraph. And the tip is that the words which you have written from the first paragraph, that is your word bank for this writing. Okay, so use those words in your paragraph and write in your own words. How did you tolerate someone's bad behavior? Pause the video, write a beautiful paragraph. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart and you learn very quickly. So here is time for your homework. Write 8 to 10 sentences about your good habits. Whatever good habits you have, write 8 to 10 sentences. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do? The best thing I do. Okay, so whatever you do the best, you will write about it over here. So what we have learned today? We learned how to write a paragraph, and we use the reading text as model for writing, and we also spelled some words studied in class both orally and in writing, right? So in this way we achieved our SLOs. To use the reading text as model for your own writing and spell some words studied in classroom both orally and in writing. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you, and Allah.